Hi everyone and welcome back to SEO.Ninja. My name is Tristan and I'm here to help you connect with your customers online, and today we're taking a an updated look at Adobe Spark videos. So for those who aren't familiar with Adobe Spark, then basically what it is an online tool that lets you create videos, websites, like very simple websites. Something on my face? No, it's just something on the screen. And social media posts, thumbnails for like YouTube videos, things like that. It's really cool, really fast, really easy to use. It is free, so that makes it even better. What we're going to be doing today is we're actually going to make a promotional video for one of our new clients. It's actually a tutorial that we're working on that's a lot more complicated, but one of the things that we needed to do was to make a promo video for this particular client, and so that's what we're going to make today. Now the platform itself is actually really easy to use, and so we're not going to go in and look at like what every single little button does. We're just going to look primarily at the processes and the reasoning behind some of the decisions that we make when we made this video. Now, if you are looking for a tutorial where we go over every single button, we actually did one of these last year. Nothing's really changed since then, and so that video should still be able to help you answer any of those questions that you might have. And of course, you'll see a card popping up somewhere like here or over here or something like that that will take you to that video. So the first thing we knew that we were going to need was some stock video, just because we need to be able to show what it is that the client actually does, how they do it, what some of the tools look like, some of the results that they can generate. And of course, this client didn't have any stock footage that we can use, and so what we did is we went to videoblocks.com. Videoblocks is pretty cool, pretty handy, it does a good job. It is a little on the expensive side. You're going to find a link to that in the description or in the comments. But what we did was we went through, found some videos that we thought would work, downloaded them, and then we kind of put all those into their own little files just so we can use them as reference in the future. The next thing we needed was like a basic outline of the video itself, the structure of the video. Now, Adobe Spark is actually really cool in this aspect because it already has a lot of these outlines built in. And so you can just pick the one that best fits what it is that you're trying to do, make some little modifications to it, like adding some extra slides like we did, and then you're just fill in the blanks. In our case, we're presenting the business, we're presenting the problem, we're presenting how the business solves the problem, we're giving some examples of how the business has resolved that problem in the past, just to kind of help build up some confidence. Then the call to action is to contact the customer or contact the client in order to receive a free estimate in order to fix the problem that the person has. So it's simple, it's quick, it's to the point, and it's beautiful. And you can see how we're using the stock footage and also the images that the client sent us in order to do that. So again, very simple, very clean, and again, Adobe Spark makes this really easy. Now the next step is to get the video onto YouTube. Now you're probably thinking, who goes to YouTube in Buenos Aires, Argentina to look for body shops? Probably nobody. But that's okay, we're not actually interested in the YouTube traffic. We are interested in the Google traffic. So what we're really trying to do here is two different things. First, we know that Google owns YouTube, and Google loves promoting its own stuff. And so if it has a YouTube video that fits a keyword that people are looking for, then it's actually going to take that YouTube video and it's going to promote it to the people who are searching for that particular keyword. That's why you find a lot of YouTube videos in Google search. And so by optimizing the video, building up some backlinks, doing all the stuff that we're supposed to do, we can actually get that video to show up for those search terms in Google, and we don't have to worry about the YouTube traffic. The other cool thing about doing this is that we get the thumbnail to show up in the search results as well, and so our videos stand out a lot more than the rest of the websites, and it's just a really neat way of calling people's attention and getting traffic actually going to that video that's not on YouTube. The other reason that we're using YouTube is because paid ads are really cheap, like less than a penny a piece. And so what we can do is we can also target people on YouTube based off their Google search history. Again, Google owns YouTube. And so if anybody has searched for anything related to, body shop repair or dent repair or automobile painting or anything like that within the past 3 days, we can still target them on YouTube. Now, if we want to get really clever, we can actually use these same videos to create retargeting lists, and then we can go back and hit them again on AdWords using that retargeting list, and that makes that even cheaper. We're actually saving about 61.5% on ad spend. So we'll get into that in a different video. It's really neat. Now, as far as how fast this works, it's actually pretty darn fast. Now, we still need to go through and we need to verify a few different things in the account. We need to, they need to call us and do all this other crap. But even so, even though we haven't actually done any of that yet, it's going to be a little complicated because I'm not in Argentina yet. Even so, we're actually already ranking for several of these keywords within YouTube, and it's just a question of time for those videos to start showing up in Google as well. Usually we give it about a week or two before we really start doing anything drastic, but from what we're looking at, since we just launched the channel, since we just launched the videos, they're actually looking pretty good. And the reason that this happens is, like, if you look at a website's metrics, right, like on a scale of 1 to 100, you're using something like Keyword Finder, my favorite keyword research tool in the whole wide world. If you look at the numbers and if you look at the metrics that a website has, looking from 1 to 100, a lot of the websites that we're looking at that would be our competition for these keywords are like between 9 and 15. So they're very, very easy websites to outrank. Now, a YouTube video actually starts out with a base metric score of 25. And so that means that if the video is optimized correctly, if it's uploaded correctly, if you give Google all the information that it needs and that it wants, you can actually outrank a lot of websites really fast without having to do anything like backlink campaigns or any of the other stuff that we normally have to do. Now, it doesn't work for everything. There are certain keywords where this just simply doesn't work, but in a lot of cases it does work really well. We are currently using videos like this to generate leads for a lot of our clients. In fact, I think we're using it for all of our clients just because we really like YouTube. We're also using this for a few different affiliate products that we've been kind of messing around with. Now again, I'm not an expert on affiliate marketing. I plan to do a whole series on affiliate marketing where I try to learn it myself and then kind of just share the process with you guys. That's coming up here in the next couple of weeks, I think. But even so, like we have one video that's promoting a gaming computer. It's actually the computer that I use here at work. And we just sold our 3rd unit on Amazon. And we make like between $30 and $50 per sale off of that. And that's been up for a month. And we made like an extra $100, $150 off of that. It's pretty cool. And we actually used something very similar to Adobe Spark to do it. For another affiliate product where we did use Adobe Spark, we're actually promoting organic worm poop. And believe it or not, we actually make about $20 or $30 a month off of that video. Like, it's mid-August here, and we're actually still getting a lot of clicks and the occasional sell. You'd think that'd be really seasonal, but I mean, it's worm poop, so people can do whatever they want with it. But again, it took like 10 minutes to make the video using Adobe Spark. It took another hour or two to go through and do the keyword research, to optimize the video and do all the rest of the stuff that we're planning to do. And again, keeping everything very, very simple, very, very low competition, and make a little bit of extra money off of it. So I guess really the next question is just simply to scale and make it to where we can live off of that. We only need to make like 200 more videos. So we'll get cracking on that. But if you're looking for quick and easy ways to make a YouTube video for your business, for an affiliate product that you want to try and promote, Adobe Spark really is a great resource for this kind of stuff. It's probably actually my #1 recommendation. You can get into things like, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, and what's the other one? Lumen 5, Market Ninja, Content Ninja, Ninja Samurai. I don't remember. There's another one that you can use, but it was like $100 a month. So, I mean, really, if you're just getting into this stuff, if you don't need a lot of like the more powerful tools and options that you would have with Adobe Premiere or with After Effects, HitFilm's another good one. That one's free. But that's kind of a heck of a learning curve, oh my goodness. But you can do lightsabers. I can't do lightsabers in Adobe Spark yet, so keep that in mind. But if you are looking for something very simple that you can use to create this kind of content, Adobe Spark is probably going to be the best and easiest option for you. Now, I'm going to leave you guys some examples to some of the other videos that we've made using Adobe Spark. My absolute favorite video that I've ever made is on there, Tristan Goodwin, Best SEO in the Universe. We're also going to include the organic worm poop one on there, so you guys can check that out. You can see that I don't really do very serious videos, but I'm not a very serious guy. Check my script here. But that'll do it for this quick video. I hope that it has been helpful. I hope that it's given you guys some ideas of things that you can do to go out and generate a little bit more extra money that you can use to connect with your customers, that you can use to grow your business. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. I guess there's a bell, and if you click the bell, then it sends you notifications or something like that, so do that too. Let me know in the comments what affiliate markets we should go after. The sillier, the better. we're looking into doing electrical tape. There's actually a lot of affiliate programs out there for electrical tape. So let me know in the comments what we should go after, and we'll see if we can make some money off it. But that'll do it for me. Have an excellent day, and I will see you guys in the next video.